Everyone. I'll keep it short. Everyone said so much. So wherever I go these days, there's just one question asked, which is, I think, quite intrusive, but still I'm asked, both me and Sev. Is it a boy or is it a girl? Have you found out? And I'm like, excuse me? What difference does it make? I'm a girl child. I would love to have a girl. What is the difference? I think I've done probably more for my parents and for my family than a son would. So my answer is downright rude to saying, firstly, this is very intrusive, and at this point, I don't think you should be asking me this question. But coming back to it, I think we're still in a nation where we've been asked, oh, you're getting married, are you still going to work? Oh, you're having a child, are you still going to work? These questions upset me, and when Bizcraft and Mr. Evans wrote to me that if I would like to be a part of this initiative, I think my first reaction was that as an expectant mother on this journey, nothing would make me happier than to be a part of a movement that supports gender equality. Not just for me or my child, but for the millions and millions of children out there. For all those people who think that a girl child is considered taboo, is considered not equal enough, not up to a man, but you must know that a woman is probably the only soul that has the right to carry a soul in her. And that is truly something that is a joy. Thank you so much, Mr. Evans, Mr. Khemka, for allowing me at this special point in my life to lend my voice. I hope it makes a difference. Thank you.
We have a couple of questions for Kareena. What would your advice be then to those wanting to make a difference?
Well, I think the reason that we're all gathered here today is to make a difference now. We keep making promises to each other at dinner tables, at gala dinners that was mentioned, putting on a black tie, opening our pockets sometimes and writing a check and sending out, but nobody really actually takes that step. But I think with Global Citizen India and so many wonderful people associated with it across the globe, I think this is the time, and the time is now. So, I think this is what we're all doing.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Kareena.
भी हमने किसी आर्टिस्ट को जो टू बी मॉम है उसे इतना बिजी नहीं देखा है जितना आपको बिजी देखा। आप फोटोशूट कराती हैं, आप कहीं जाके कुछ इनॉग्रेट करके मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल में मतलब पार्टी में आती हैं। मतलब यू हैव सेट अ न्यू स्टैंडर्ड एंड न्यू रूल।
No, I don't think so. I think that, I don't know, I mean, it's the most normal thing, it's the most beautiful thing. And I think that, jaise you get married, you share your happiness with everyone. And pregnancy is also something that you must share with everybody. It's not that, I should, if I'm having a baby or I'm pregnant, I should sit at home. It doesn't mean that. I'm a working woman and I would continue to work all my life. मैंने हमेशा कहा है, तो ऐसे कोई एग्जाम्पल कॉन्शियसली सेट करने नहीं गई हूँ, बस ऐसे हो गया है कि आई ऑलवेज कंटिन्यू माई वर्क।
करीना, वीरा दी वेडिंग आपकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म आ रही है, उसके बारे में अगर कुछ बताएं कि किस स्टेज में है और किस तरह का रोल है आपका?
नहीं, रोल तो ये this is one of the most glamorous moms.
How nice to see you like that, my darling.
But I keep stalking you. I should have come for the opening night, but me and Seth both.
I know. I keep getting apologies. Princess K, I'm so sorry. He's too cute.
He's lovely, but he's like, you have to go, you have to go. I said, yeah, I'm going.
So happy.
I said, I'm going only to see Kiran's look. Yeah. Because Kiran is the most stylish. Really.
किरण आपसे जानना चाहिए, करीना फर्स्ट टाइम मम्मी बनने आ रही है, आप कुछ
Oh God!
I have told them I'm not doing
Tips,
this.
tips नहीं है, tips ऐसे I want to look like
क्या
Kiran.
देना tips?
हाँ? Please, and where is Amir?
Solo, do some solo.
हाँ, तो आप अच्छा वीरा दी वेडिंग के बारे में कुछ बताने वाले हैं?
Well, we're very excited about the film. It's going to be India's first kind of typical chick flick, जिसे कहते हैं. And yeah, hopefully it'll be lots of fun and very exciting. And it's all about women power, and of course good-looking people.
below to download the official Bollywood Backstage app. Don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Backstage.